If AnyDesk is not connecting to the network in Windows 11, the problem is usually caused by a damaged installation, leftover app data, a firewall block, or even a simple internet issue. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a useful fix. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely uninstall AnyDesk from your Windows 11 PC. To do that, press Windows +R on your keyboard, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. This opens the list of installed programs on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find AnyDesk. Once you see it, right-click on it and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete the uninstall process. This step is important because if AnyDesk has corrupted files or a broken setup, simply reopening the app may not fix the network connection problem. After uninstalling the program, the next step is to remove the leftover AnyDesk app data. Even after uninstalling, some old configuration files can stay behind and continue causing issues. To clear that out, press Windows +R again, type %ap data% and press Enter. This opens the app data folder for your user account. Look for the AnyDesk folder in this location. When you find it, right-click the folder and select Delete. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Removing this data helps reset AnyDesk's local settings and can often solve stubborn connection errors. Once that is done, restart your computer. This may sound simple, but it's a very important step. Restarting closes anything still running in the background and clears AnyDesk components from memory. It also gives Windows a fresh start after the uninstall and cleanup process. Before restarting, close any open applications, then reboot your PC and wait for Windows 11 to fully load again. Now, it's time to reinstall AnyDesk. Download the latest version from the official AnyDesk website and install it again on your computer. Using a fresh installation ensures you are working with clean program files rather than a broken or outdated copy. After installation, open AnyDesk and check whether it connects normally. In many cases, this alone fixes the network issue. If AnyDesk still is not connecting, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open a web browser and visit a few websites to make sure your internet is actually working properly. If pages are slow or not loading, restart your router and try again. You can also test a different connection method, like switching from Wi-Fi to Ethernet, or even trying a mobile hotspot just to see whether the issue is coming from your network. Another very common cause is Windows Firewall blocking AnyDesk. To verify that, open Windows Defender Firewall and select Allow an app through Windows Defender Firewall. In the list, make sure AnyDesk is allowed. Click Change Settings if needed, then locate AnyDesk and tick both the private and public checkboxes. After that, click OK to save the changes. This step is very important because if AnyDesk is blocked by the firewall, it may fail to connect even when your internet is working perfectly. So to recap, the best way to fix AnyDesk not connecting to the network in Windows 11 is to uninstall AnyDesk, delete its app data, restart your computer, reinstall the app, check your internet connection, and make sure Windows Firewall is allowing it through on both private and public networks. Follow these steps carefully, and in most cases, the issue should be resolved. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 fixes, and leave a comment if you still need help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.